everyone, welcome back to my channel here. Mike here from teamhiraadventures. Want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you for your support. Hope everyone having a blessed day. So I'm making some chicken empanada today. I have the chicken here. I have carrot, green peas, onion, some potato. That's for the filling. So I didn't season the chicken yet. I just washed it and let it drain. I wash it real good so we don't get chicken flu. For the dough, this is the dry ingredients. This is baking powder optional. You don't have to put this if you want, but I like to put it. It gets it nice and fluffy and nice, crunchy. I have a half tablespoon of salt, Himalayan salt. I have some turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I like to put the turmeric. It's optional also, but I like to put the turmeric. You give it the color. But a cup of Cresco. That you can use butter also, but I have that inside the fridge. I didn't bring it out yet. So we can bring it out and add it in the flour, then crumble it and make it a crumbly dough. This is 4 cup all-purpose flour. We're gonna make the dough out, leave it like rest, and then we can work on the filling. Alright, so this is the Crisco I have here. Add it in the fridge because you don't want it, you want it cold and nice, so make the dough a little crumbly. But first we gotta add these first inside. The baking powder, the salt, and the turmeric. So this we gotta add water to make the dough. You can add milk if you want, but a quarter cup of water, quarter cup of milk, you might have to put a little more. But we can start with quarter cup. So let me mix this up. I like to put the turmeric because the turmeric gives it a nice yellowish color. Okay, we can still base it later with some egg wash. So we can put the Crisco in here, the large Crisco. And we can crumble it. Make it like breadcrumbs. Alright, so we'll finish up this and then show you what it look like when I finish mix it up. Okay, so this is the flour, the dough. They're nice, it look like breadcrumbs. So we got the water here now, and then we got not too cold, a little warm water. So I'm not measuring the water. You can, if you want, you start with quarter cup. If you need more, you add more. And we can cover this down and let it rest. In the meantime, we're preparing the filling. Alright, so let's get to the chicken seasoning. Himalayan salt, we'll average some Himalayan salt here. I'm not doing any measurement. You can average like about a teaspoon of seasoning. Depends how many chicken you have. So I'll put about a teaspoon because I don't want to put too much. Alright, so that's it for the seasoning. We're gonna mix this up. Alright, so we can let this marinate for 15-20 minutes. This can make some nice broccoli and chicken. Look guys, look how beautiful the chicken look. Usually I put it in the food processor and pulp it, but today I'm using the chopper. Run it through, make it a little finer to put inside the empanada. See? So I take the chicken out, we let it cool on a little, and then we put it on the chopping board and run in the chopper through. We gotta add our onion. We'll cook the onion a little first, then we add our green peas. The onion is good. We add our green peas. We add our carrots. I don't think I might use all the carrots. And then we add the potato. Once this cook, we add the potato. In the meantime, I'll run the chopper through the chicken. Alright guys, so I will just do like this. Run the chopper through. Or you can put it in the food processor and pulp it, but sometimes if you overdo it, then the chicken get too fine. So we add back our chicken in here. Turn it up. If you have a lot of filling here, right? Alright, so we can start to roll this out. And if it's too sticky, you can add some dry flour. Alright, so I have my cutter here. This side is cutting, this side to fold it. See, I did the other one before. Alright, so that's the empanada there. I just baste it with the egg wash. So I have like this 4 tray. This is 2 tray right here. And then there's the next one over here. So 4 tray empanada. So when it's finished bake, I'll show you what it look like. Alright guys, we back. I take out all the patties, the empanada from the oven. All is finished. It's really crispy and nice. Very tasty. When you finish, not dry, nice. Really good. So that's all the chicken empanada. Look beautiful, eh? Tastes good. It's really tasty. With all the seasoning I put in the chicken. Look beautiful. Alright guys, hope you like this video with the chicken empanada. Very good, tasty. Hope you enjoyed this video with me making the empanada, chicken empanada. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you back in the next adventure.